Have you ever thought about what it would take to retire in just 8 years? Even if you're starting with nothing in your pocket. Not retiring at 65, not waiting decades, but becoming free in less than a decade. Imagine walking away from stress, ending money worries, and living life on your own terms. Most people think this is impossible. They think you already need to be rich or make huge money. But here at Wolf Money Strategies, we think differently. What you really need is a plan, discipline, and a new way of looking at money. Retiring in 8 years doesn't mean sitting on a beach doing nothing. It means freedom. It means you don't depend on a paycheck anymore. Your money and the systems you built take care of you. You can still work, but only if you want to. That's the real goal. So how do you get there? Starting with zero. Let's go step by step, year by year. And wait until we get to year 7. It's where everything changes. Year 1. Build the foundation. Think of year 1 like pouring concrete for a house. A weak base makes everything fall apart. A strong base lasts forever. In year 1, your goal is stability and clarity. First, set a clear target number. Most people use the 25 times rule. This means you need 25 times your yearly expenses invested to retire. If you spend $30,000 a year, you would need $750,000 invested. That sounds huge, but you'll see how it becomes possible. A simpler rule for lean living is the 4 times rule, meaning 4 times your yearly expenses if you also plan to earn a bit from side income. Whatever rule you choose, know your number. Without a target, you're walking blind. Next, track every dollar. Not to punish yourself, but to understand where your money goes. When you add up small habits like coffee, takeout, and subscriptions, the total can be shocking. Sort everything into needs and wants. Needs are rent, food, utilities. Wants are everything else. Then kill your debt. High-interest debt is a chain around your foot. Use the avalanche method, highest interest first, or the snowball method, smallest balance first. Either way, your goal is to break free. Also, create an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Protects you from falling back into debt when life surprises you. Finally, start a side hustle. You can freelance, sell products, or even start a faceless YouTube channel. Something we teach step by step in the Wolf Money Strategies Telegram community below. By the end of year 1, you won't be rich, but you'll have a working budget, a small emergency fund, lower debt, and your first income stream. This foundation is priceless. Years 2 to 3, invest and multiply. Now that you're stable, it's time to grow. These 2 years are about building money systems that work automatically. Step 1. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Don't gamble. Don't chase hot stocks. Index funds spread your money across hundreds of companies, and historically, the market always rises over time. This growth is what will make early retirement possible. Step 2. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers so part of every paycheck goes straight into investments and savings. Pay yourself first, not last. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Learn skills that increase your earning power: digital marketing, design, coding, sales, editing, anything valuable. Free resources are everywhere. Skills raise your income faster than saving alone. Step 4. Live intentionally. Being frugal doesn't mean being cheap. It means choosing what matters. Keep what brings happiness. Cut what doesn't. The less you need to live, the faster you can retire. By the end of year 3, your investments are growing, your expenses are down, and your side hustles are making real money. Momentum is building. Years 4 to 5 scale up. Now things get serious. These years are about moving from doing okay to making real progress. Increase your contributions. As your debt falls and income rises, push more money into investments. Don't inflate your lifestyle. Stay lean. Explore higher yield assets. Dividend stocks, rental real estate, and digital businesses can bring monthly passive income. A rental making $800 a month or an online store making $500 adds up fast. Grow your side hustles. By now, your small projects should be earning. Scale them. Double them. Systems beat effort. Network with like-minded people. Join communities like ours. Learn from others. One good idea can save you years. By the end of year 5, your investments are strong. Your income streams are growing, and retirement is no longer a dream. It's a real possibility. Year 6, the final stretch. You are only 2 to 3 years away from freedom. This year is about tightening everything. Review your target number. Look at your progress. Maybe you aimed for $750,000 and now you're at $350,000 or $400,000. That's huge. Watch out for lifestyle creep. Avoid buying things just because you can. Every extra dollar should go toward freedom, not new toys. Rebalance your investments to stay safe from market swings. Make your side hustles more automatic. The less time they take, the freer you'll be. Plan for healthcare and insurance. These costs matter in retirement. By the end of year 6, retirement is no longer a maybe. It's a very soon. Year 7, the explosion year. Year 7 is magical. This is where your wealth suddenly grows faster than ever. Compounding kicks in hard. You may see your investments grow by $50,000 or even $70,000 in a single year without doing anything extra. This is the snowball effect. But don't relax. Now is the time to double down. Save more. Invest more. Push harder. Also, plan your new lifestyle. Will you travel? Move somewhere cheaper? Keep a small side hustle for fun? Decide now. These choices shape how much money you really need. Automate your passive income. Make systems, not stress. By the end of year 7, you're likely standing right next to your retirement target. Year 8. Freedom. This is the year everything changes. Step 1. Create your withdrawal plan. The 4% rule is simple. If you withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year, your money should last for life. $750,000 invested equals $30,000 a year. Add passive income and you're set. Step 2. Test your retirement. Live for 6 months using your retirement budget. If it works, you're ready. Step 3. Prepare mentally. Retirement is not just money, it's identity. Choose hobbies, passions, or small projects that give purpose. Step 4. Protect your future. Keep emergency savings strong, maintain insurance, and always have a backup plan. Step 5. Retire. Walk away from the stress. Walk into freedom. Imagine waking up on a Monday with no alarm. No boss. No deadlines. Just choices. That's what these 8 years built. Why this works? Going from zero to retirement in 8 years works because of 3 things we teach here at Wolf Money Strategies. 1. Discipline, live below your means. 2. Income growth, build skills and side hustles. 3. Compounding, your money grows faster every year. Most people think they need 40 years to retire. But if you stay focused for just 8 years, cutting expenses, investing heavily, and growing income, you can bend time. You can change your life. While others sit in traffic, work jobs they hate, or wait for someday, you'll already be free. And if you're wondering whether you can really do this, remember something important. Every person who reached financial freedom started exactly where you are right now with one small decision. You don't need perfect timing, you don't need luck, and you definitely don't need to be born rich. Make your first step now, like this video,